welcome back to yet again another video. In today's video we are going to be changing my license plate bulbs to a white light because at the moment they're a yellow light, and we're also going to be fitting my wind deflectors. Now I didn't know before the video that I would have been doing my wind deflectors, but when I was actually doing the bulbs the wind deflectors came, so we're going to be doing bulbs and wind deflectors this video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So we're going to be replacing yellow arse light because it looks ugly when it's yellow and I want it to be a white light, so we're going to be doing that today. So as I was literally just showing you the license plate bulb, I thought I'd clean my car windows while I was at it, and as I was cleaning the car windows my wind deflectors came, so we're going to be fitting them in this video as well. I wasn't expecting them to come so fast, but we'll be doing that today as well, I guess. So Kai's got a flathead and he's trying to pry it out now, the bulb. Another flathead. I'll get you another flathead. Second flathead. I'm being the cameraman today. Fuck's sake. So I'm replacing it for this LED bulb, and it should be more of a white light than a yellow, because the other one looks rubbish and this one should be better. We're ready. Yeah. Oh, we got it out. He's just taking the bulb out. Oh, yucky old bulb. Let's have a look at that bulb. I'll hold on to it just in case. Yucky old bulb. And this is nice and bulb. Nice and white, and it's an LED.
I see my fucking mucky fingernails.
Popped in. Popping on that.
Job's a good one.
Job's a good one. Pushing it in there, and that's it. We're sorted. Easy as that. Let's have a look at that.
You need to put your side lights on your Muppet.
They are. They are.
Are they?
Yeah. And it's out. That looks a lot better than the old shitty LED yellow one. I'll get another shot of that in the night time, but for now we're moving to wind deflectors. Tell them what's happening with the bike.
It's leaking coolant.
It is leaking coolant, so he's got this stuff to sort it out, but he's going to have to leave the engine running for 15 minutes, and that's a bit too noisy for my video, isn't it? Wind deflector, test fitting it. Looks like it's going to fit. Looks like it's the right size for my car. Let's get it out and get it on the car. So this is them out the packaging. They don't look too bad. They're like tinted as well, so I'm going to test fit them, see if they fit, and then I'm going to remove the adhesive strips. I don't really know I'm going to get this in, to be honest with you. I'm a bit of a retard, but yeah, it's going to fit. It's going to fit. It's just this end. I don't really get it. How do I start with that end? I'll start with that end. That's how it works. Right, this is going to be difficult. They fit. We'll figure that out after we get the adhesive off and after I've cleaned them. We'll just figure the rest out.
Do they go? That's the question.
We've test fitted them and they fit so nicely. They actually look so clean as well. That makes the car look a lot more sporty, to be honest with you. So first we need to take all these little adhesive strips off, and once I get these off then I can actually get it on the windows. That'll be alright. She's always in videos.
No, always just chilling.
That side, I'm going to get that side in first, and this side. Because then I can bend it around the top, makes it easier for me. It's not as easy as you might think. And then you just got to like wedge it underneath the rubber seals. It looks like there's still a sticker on it, but it's not. There we go. The whole car is shaking. This car one is nothing, I swear.
It doesn't look too bad.
Doesn't look too shabby. The cat's eating my adhesive strips. What on earth, man? Cat is almost 14 years old and she still acts like a kitten. She's fighting it still. What is she doing? Go on then, do it again. She's scared of it. silly cat.
Yeah.
Well, you've got to put these clips in like that, pointing side towards the car, up like that. I'll show you, he's getting it in now. He's just pushing up this slide. My slide. And this should just go. They should go in, and they should not fall on the floor. But yeah, you know what to do. Cat. Nick that off me. And it's kind of in. We gave up with the clips and we just put the window all the way up, and you need to leave it like that for 24 hours. Through the window deflectors, he's fixing the bike because it's raining now and I don't want to do it in the rain, so we'll do it another day. It's just started raining, so we're going to leave the other wind deflector to do after it stops raining, and we're going to have a McDonald's now, and Kai's going to sort the rest of his bike out later on when it stops raining, so we'll go back out after tea. If it stops raining, we'll finish it. So it stopped raining now, so we're going to get this other wind deflector on this window, and yeah, I think the bike's almost sorted. So we're now installing it on this side, so let's get to it. Now you just got to leave the window up for 24 hours, but it might catch there. No? Sorted. You're doing it yourself. Leave the window up for 24 hours just so it sits properly. And I know it's streaky, I'll sort that out later. Keeps falling out. Don't be falling out. As per usual, it's raining again. Perfect time to show you these wind deflectors actually. I can open my window, no rain gets in the car, and I still get the airflow. So they're very nice actually. They're a bit blurry, but they do the job. They look pretty good as well. They look quite sporty from the outside. So we think that when we was taking out the light bulb, the casing around it, the outside part, we think we think it must have snapped or something, because now we can get it back in, but it keeps falling out really easy. So we're going to be getting a new one tomorrow, picking that up in the morning, trying to fit that, see if it works. Yeah, so I'll be back in the morning. So this is at night time. Looks a lot better with that bright white light. Proper does shine on the floor, looks sick. So Euro car parts don't have the right ones, so I'm going to put the old one back in and just double-sided tape it inside here, because it's broken somehow and we don't know how, so tape should do the job. So we put some adhesive strips on it because, yeah, and you might notice the cat's in the fucking car. Nice one. But yeah, that looks alright. Let's get it on. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, and if you want to buy the wind deflectors for yourself, or if you want to buy a white bulb for yourself, I'll just leave them in the description below if you want to go buy them for yourself. And yeah, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Yeah.